Hi, I'll teach you guys how to remove your followers on Twitter. So yeah, let's get started. So go to your home page and click on your profile on the top left corner. Then just click on your profile again. And now, here's your profile. So what you're gonna do is just go to followers. And here is a follower that I want to remove. So just click on account, just like that. So what you're gonna do is just click on the top right corner, the three dots. So click on block and click on block again. And if you go back to your followers, you have no followers now. So let's go back again and then refresh it. You'll see you have now 0 followers. So if you want to unblock that person, go back to your home page and click on your accounts again. Click on settings and privacy right here and click on privacy and safety, the fourth one right here. Under the privacy and safety, it says mute and block. Just click on that. Under it, click on black accounts. So right here there's the account and just click on the black icon and this go unblock that person. So if you refresh it like this, the person is gone. And yeah, that is basically it. So if this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe.